Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to solve a system of linear equations by using Cramer's rule. So we will try to solve the equation for 2 cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 3 matrix. So first of all, I have just taken example of 2 cross 2 matrix, means there are two variables, first is x and second is y. So it will be a 2 cross 2 matrix. So to solve these equations by Cramer's rule, first we will write the augmented form of matrix. So we will write the coefficient matrix first 1, 3, minus 2, 5, and then we will write the columns, we will write the constant terms in the column. So this is the augment matrix. So to find the value of x, we will need to find dx upon d, and to find the value of y, we will need to find dy upon d. So first we will try to find the d. D means we need to find out the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So this is 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. So if we will solve this, this will become 5 minus of minus 6. So we can write this as 11. To find the value of dx, dx means we have to just interchange the the coefficient of x in the both equations by the constant terms. So and we have to find the determinant. So we will just replace 1, minus 2 by 8 and 17, and we will write 3 and 5 as it is, and we will find the determinant. So this will become 40 minus 51, this will become minus 11. Now to find the dy, we need to interchange this coefficient of y with constant terms. So what we will get? We will get 1 minus 2, this will become 8 and 17, and if we will cross multiply, so 17 minus 16. So this will become 33. Now if we will just put these values in this formula, so we will get this as minus 11 divided by 11. So value of x is minus 1, and we will get the value of y as 33 divided by 11. So value of y is, so we can write the solution of this system of equation is minus 1, 3. Now if you want to check whether we have found the correct answer or not, you need to put the value of x and y in these equations, and let's check whether it satisfies or not. So it will get minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. So it is satisfying the first equation. So this will become 2 plus 15. It will become 17. So it is also satisfying. So both the equations are satisfying. It means we have found the correct equation, correct solution of this system of linear equation. So this is a 2 cross 2 system of linear equation. Now we will just solve by another example for 3 cross 3. So it is a 3 cross 3 system of linear equation because there are three variables, 1, x, y and z. Now we will use the same formula here also, that is x is dx divided by d, y is dy divided by d, and z is dz divided by d. So we will use the same method that as we have used in the 2 cross 2 system. So first we will find the determinant of coefficient matrix. So it will become 1, 3, 1, and for the second it will become 3, 2, minus 1. It will become minus 2, 5 and 2. So if we will just expand this determinant with respect to the first row, what we will get? This will become 4 plus 5 minus 3. This will become 6 minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 15 plus 4. So if we will solve this, this will become 9, this will become minus 12, this will become 19. So the value of the determinant is 16. Now we need to find the value of dx. Dx means the x coefficient of x will be replaced by constant terms. So the constant terms are, we can write this as 8, 4 and 4, and this will remain same. So 3, 2, 5. This will become 1 minus 1 and 2. And if we will solve the determinant of this matrix again, so we will get 8 multiplied by 4 plus 5. This will become minus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 4 plus 1 multiplied by, this will become 20 minus 8. So if we will solve this, we will get this 9, it is 72, this is 36, this is 20. So we will get this as value of dx. So 8, 4 plus 5 minus 3, 8 minus 3, this 8 plus 4, 12, 9, it is 72, and this 1, so this is 20 minus 8, this is 12, so this is 12. So if we will solve this, this will become 48. So value of dx is 48. Now to find the value of dy, we will replace the y component of the determinant with the constant terms. So it will become 8, 4, 4, this will become 1 minus 1, 2. And if we will solve this determinant with respect to the first row, we will get the value at 0. Now to solve for dz, what we will do? We will replace the z component of this determinant with the constant terms. So this is 1, 3 minus 2, this will become 3, 2, 5, and this will become 8, 4 and 4. And if we will solve this by expanding it any row or any column, we will get the value of dz as 80. So we have got all the values and we have to replace this. So dx is, we have got the dx 48, so this is 48 divided by 16, because 16 is the value of d, so we will get the value of x as 3. So dy is 0, 0 divided by 16 is 0, and value of dz is 80 divided by 16, because value of d is 16, so we got the value of z is 5. So the solution of this system of linear equation of 3 variables is, we can write this as 3, 0, 5. Now if you want to check whether our solution is correct or not, you can put these values in any of the equations. So suppose we will choose this second equation. So we will get 3 into 3, 9 plus 0 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So it is satisfying the equation. It means we have found the correct solution by using Cramer's rule. This is the final answer. So this how means using this formula or the previous formula, we can solve any system of linear equation by using Cramer's rule. But we have to just remember, since d is in the denominator, so value of d should be not equal to 0. Once it will become 0, then the system of linear equation is unsolvable, means it does not have any solution. So if you like my video, then please share it with your friends. We have also designed a calculator based on this concept, means if you just input any of the value that you have, then our calculator will depict you step by step solution, and I will provide the link of that in the description below. Thank you very much. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.